Yeah, perfect. I just fucking burnt a hole in my jumper too. Rip. Broken. Well, that didn't work. Welcome back to another episode of Project d.i.y. It's already dark. But I had to do some running around to do. Last week on the MX-5, what did we do? The boot. We resprayed the inside of the boot. Let me show you. So yeah, all nice and red. I haven't even touched it since then. Even, remember the pink parts that kind of look red? I might actually, well, the end of this episode, but the start of the next, that was retarded. But I'm going to go over these again and actually prime them, because like you can see through it, and that's still black, and you can see through that. The camera's not picking it up, but yeah, the light's too bright. But yeah, gonna fix that pink up, because that was terrible, man. That was terrible. I want to stick with the pink. It'll look okay. You're not gonna see it anyway. But this week, the car when I bought it didn't come with a battery tie down holder, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna make one. So we've got some threaded rod. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, there you go, all the way down. And it's like 1 meter point something long, because that's all they had. We've got some of that. We've got this, which is thick boy, and nuts. Nothing that special. So what I'm planning on doing, cutting that to size for the battery, obviously the height of the battery, and we're going to do something at the end. We're going to try and bend it for it to actually like hook into the bottom of the battery to obviously tie it down. And that is the tie down thing. It was cheap. It was like $3, and it's pretty thick, and it's got holes, which is ugly, but I'll do something with this, which will look cool. First things first, I'm going to put all that battery stuff back in, so we can put the battery in, so we can start measuring how much rod we need, and how we're going to tie it down. I haven't even looked in there. It probably isn't it probably isn't even one. I'll probably have to make one, like a hole, just straight through the floor. Look at that terrible paint job. Yeah, cool. Kind of just chills there. Alright, so quick look. So it looks like it bolts to here. Like you can put something through that. I don't know where you meant to do it from the other side though. Alright, so the battery's in. And what we could do, there's a hole there where my finger is. We could put a nut and bolt through that. It would be a pain in the ass, but it's doable. What we could do, put like a nutsert in there, or just nut and bolt it and have the bar going across, and then have a lip, and then have a lip. Sorry for the recording, but there's no room in here, man. But yeah, let's get that plate and see if it's actually long enough. Yeah, perfect. Look at that length. Make sure you don't touch the terminals with one of these, like you will get zapped and get hurt. So be careful, even if you have to like tape them up to the shithouse so nothing will pass through those. I don't think that'll work. I don't know, just be careful. Even this boy hanging in the way, like, what's that, the negative? That's the positive. If they, oh no, true. I don't even know what the positive is. Where is the positive? What the fuck? Oh, it's up here. Oh, we good. What we're going to do now is I'm going to grab a tape measure and measure from that hole to up here, see how long that is. I'm going to give myself an extra, like, maybe 15... yeah, give myself probably about 10 centimeters on top of the length, because we've got to bend it, and it's got to come through here. Even if we've got to chop some off after it, it'll give us some bending room to work with. And I'll probably even measure to maybe about here, because you don't want any less. But yeah, let's measure that. Oof. That's about 18 centimeters. Rounded off to 20, so well, how much is 30? That's about 30 there. Yeah, we'll cut 30 centimeters off that rod. As I said, we need 30 centimeters. That will give us plenty to work with. The rod, I've got like 1.2 meters of it, so we've got plenty. Oh, I just hit the Miata. Yeah, I am using stainless, so it's a bit harder than steel. I was going to buy galvanized, but honestly, it's just ugly. And this wasn't that expensive. Usually stainless is stupid expensive. And it's going to be hard bending it, but we're going to try our best. And we'll work with what we have. But right now, I've got to get the grinder out. And we'll chop this boy up. Alright, we've got everything set up. Steel bar, rod. Oh, it's falling off. Got shit everywhere. Alright, 30 centimeters. All I found was a pencil. I couldn't find texture. This isn't doing anything. But I'm gonna use my hand. It's cut there. What I just did then when I was grinding the edges, because when you cut it, the thread will end up fucking up. So if you just sand or grind back the edge, a nut should grab thread. So we've got the plate. It's got some ugly ass holes in it, and I want to cut this into something different just to spice it up a bit. All this shit we're gonna be painting pink anyway, because why not? I'm thinking about redoing it blue, but we'll see how we go. But what I was thinking, because this is pretty thick and it's weighty for like a fucking battery tie down. I don't even have a ruler or a square. But what I was planning, right, so I need, I think, these holes, these end holes. What I was planning on, like, doing one of those. Sorry, I can't really multitask and talk at the same time. One of those, something like that. So cut out that, and that. Keep the two battery fucking things. And it'll be like a little zigzag. As I said, yeah, it's pretty thick, so it should not bend or anything. But let's just start cutting this shit out. If I fuck it up, oh well. I don't know, we'll just go buy another one. The fuck? It just started raining. I was legit standing there, grinding away, and it started raining. Bruh. I just fucking burnt a hole in my jumper too. Rip. No, I'll tell you what. I can't work out in the rain. Because I'm a sook. No, I'm joking. It's gonna like piss down. And everything in here will get wet. So I'll be back tomorrow. And we'll finish cutting that thing. I was really getting into it too. Hating. Maybe. Oh yeah. I ended up repainting these. Don't worry about Callum in the background. And we found these, so I ended up painting it. Look how shit it is. It's such a shit paint job. I'm not doing it again. What are we up to? Oh yeah, we're up to cutting that thing because last week it started raining. I was meant to do it the next day, but it's actually next week. Psych!
We stepped up to a cordless big boy.
That's a 5-inch scale.
I knew that.
Close. There you go. Oh, get off the top.
If I was a gun right now, I'd be headshotting all of you.
Fuck did I do?
Quick movements. Bah! Got his head. Bah! Got your head.
Bah!
Bah! Bah! Got both your heads. Don't give me the dad lips. Bah! Bah! Bah!
He knows I won't eat all mine.
Oh.
Imagine that.
I gotta wait for it to dry so I can flip it over.
But it's cold outside.
Yeah, it's gonna suck ass.
And you got nobody to love.
Tomorrow I gotta paint it pink because I ran out of pink. So tomorrow I'll paint it pink.
No, they didn't put out enough heat.
Pink.
Just use the heat gun.
I don't have a heat gun, I don't think.
Hair dry?
So now we're up to bending this. All I gotta do is just put like a 90-degree bend. About there.
Yeah, about there.
I'm gonna try my hardest.
Oh, can we
Let's see if stainless bends. It's gonna hurt my hand. Broken. Well, that didn't work.
The nice bench is going to be a very gentle bench.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Everything
I don't know what it was, but I didn't catch it.
Okay, I need something harder. Everybody.
It's going to move.
Safety glasses! Oh, you're not wearing them. This is awkward.
Oh, this is really hurting my hand.
It's bending. It's bending and the brick is moving. Brick's moving again.
For fuck's sake.
The brick is out of control!
Don't worry about it.
I'm not!
Okay.
Is it? Yeah, it's not really doing much. Bro.
No, it's not.
As much as
That's gonna go ting and then tung and then I'm gonna go
we don't know how
tow.
fucking releases it.
Wow! Fucking aim!
Easy, pup.
Aim!
It fucking worked.
Uh-oh.
He's not even aiming.
We're done.
Certificate 3 in fabrication and engineering. You
A little bit more.
Boom, what you
That's the grit you get again. Oh my god. Yeah, alright, good enough.
Yeah, that's good enough. Yo, we full bent stainless without heat. That's a good effort. That's doing its thing. I can't touch that till tomorrow because I got to reprimer it. But in here, yeah. I'm gonna use my thinking wand as a pointer. Hold up, let me fix this up. Alright, so the plate's gonna go around here, yeah? And we've got to figure out how to get it in this hole. So what I was thinking is get another shorter bit of thread with another bend in there. Like, it's a bit long, so I can't really do it. Just imagine that real short, like up to here. See ya! But I'll tell you what, we're not going to do this tonight because...
Hey, remember. Sorry, bro.
we're not going to do this tonight because I think I need to wait for that. It's not there, but it's like there. I'm going to wait for that to dry so I know what I'm working with. So we'll do something in the meantime. What have I got to do? What can I do?